guys! Welcome back to our channel again! And nandito na guys yung part 2 natin sa pag-unbox nitong huge package natin para kay Chloe. Are you excited to open it? Are you excited?
Yeah.
Wow! Oh, let's open it. Stand up na, stand up.
Knock,
Knock, knock, knock, knock, knock, knock, knock. Oh, dali, dali, dali. Doon na. Let's open it. Oh, where's the scissors? Safety first. Okay. Unbox na natin, guys. Who's excited? Who's excited? Wow. Can you do the booty dance? Can you do the booty dance? Oo, be careful ah. Baka mahulog ka dyan. Watch out. So, yan na guys. It's another package from Clean Fan. Chloe, here na. Take a look at this. Take a look. It's a huge box. Help mama. Help mama.
another
Yeah.
pizza.
Yes. Because they love you.
Another pizza.
Ah. Clean Pant loves Chloe. Oh, come here. Help mama, help mama. Yeah. Grabe, ang bigat, guys. Ang bigat. Pangkabuhayan na ata ito. Okay. Dito ka, dito ka. On the side. Not in the front. Come on. Yan.
I'm helping you.
Thank you. Grabe. Op, op, op. Oh, excuse me muna. Excuse me, excuse me, excuse me. Oh, dito ka, here ka.
Oh, another one.
Wow!
Another one.
Wow, another one. Oh, there's two inside. And there's another. Wow! So we have, wait lang. Come here. We're going to show it. Oh, which one do you want to open first? Come here. Up here. Ito muna. Go up. Oh, let's open here. What's inside the bag? Wow! We have the baby detergent. Antibacterial baby laundry detergent. Ayun, guys. May panglaban na tayo, Chloe. Oh, oh, it's so heavy. So, ito naman, guys, yung kanyang refill. Ayan. Kung may bote na kayo, ito na lang bilhin nyo pang refill. Ayan. Lagay nyo dyan. Oh, put it there. Wow! So, we have two, guys. And the refill. Ilang refill? Two din. This one. Oh, put it there. Oopsie! Tapos, meron tayong, wala siya yung malaking pink. Ito, refill ng fabric conditioner. Fabric softener pala. Sorry. Ayan, dalawa siya, guys. Next is, meron tayong natural baby bottle nipple cleanser. Ayan, dalawa, guys. Ayan, sa mga subscriber ko dyan, na mga new moms, nagpapadede, gumagamit pa ng mga baby bottle. Ayan, this one's for you guys. Abang-abang, magpapag-giveaway tayo. Ayan. Yeah. So, ito yung ano niya guys, naka-bottle na nipple bottle cleanser. Ayan siya. Yung pinakita ko kanina is the refill. Ayan. Ang ganda nito guys, tapos ang bango. Tapos pwede pa to gamitin, not lang sa mga bote, pwede nito panghugas ng mga vegetables natin. Diba? Kasi all natural ito guys. Diba? Ang ganda ng product ni Clean Fan. Oh, dalawa pala. Wow, show it to the camera. Say thank you to Clean Fan. Thank you. And last dito sa bag na to, we have the Clean Fan Kids Body Cleansing Foam. Dalawa. Favorite namin tong pangligo ni Chloe kasi nga, bubbles siya guys. Ang ganda nito. And super bango din. Meron na siyang vitamin D and E. And pwede to sa kids 3+ up. Ayan. Ganda. Try nyo na guys. Ayan. So, punta na tayo dito sa, wow! Ano na yan? In-unbox niya na guys.
Another.
Wow! Ang dami na. What is this?
There's some.
Do you know what is this? Do you know what is this? Answer. It's a
Toothbrushes.
we have
There's so many.
strawberry flavor toothpaste. Hold it. Oh, hold mo. Oh, hold mo na, hold. Strawberry. Hold mo na, dali. Later na yan. Ito muna. Oh, hold mo to. Hold your strawberry. Meron tayong for 0 to 3 years old, guys. Flavor-free naman ito. Ayan, sa mga newborn pataas. And ito naman, itong mga may flavor is for 3 years old and up. So, ito, we have bubble gum and very berry. Tatlong flavor, guys, yung pang 3 years old. So,
There's so many.
we have strawberry, very berry, and bubble gum. And meron tayong pang
A new one.
newborn. Ayan. Ah, wow!
There's another toothbrush.
Wow, Chloe has toothbrush. Thank you. Wow. So, itong toothbrush nila, guys, is Gentle Baby Toothbrush na pwede sa 0 to 3 years old. Itong gamit ni Chloe, simulang bagets pa yan, yung newborn siya. Kahit wala pa siyang ngipin, guys, ginaganito ko na at hindi ka mag-aalala kasi sobrang soft ng bristles nito. Made for newborns talaga, guys. And for kids sensitive gums and teeth. Ayan, perfect na perfect to. Try nyo na, guys. Ay, may yellow pa pala. Ano tong yellow? May yummy banana pa pala, guys, na toothpaste. Wow, ang dami. Galing. Dami nilang ano. Ito, guys, oh. Tingnan nyo to. Ang dami nilang flavor. So, for 3 years old and up, meron silang 4 na flavor. Then, isa for newborn. Ito yun, guys. Ang flavor. And lastly, we have diaper for Chloe! Yay! Ayan. So, ito 3XL, guys. Ayan. Meron tayong 3 box. Oh, gentle. Ayan, guys. Ito maganda ditong diaper nila ni CleanFan kasi meron na siyang wetness indicator and meron na rin siyang disposal tape. Napakaganda. Ayan siya, guys. So, and super stretchy din ito. Kahit na sobrang likot ng baby nyo tulad nito. Tingnan nyo to. Yan. Kahit sobrang likot niyan, hindi matatanggal agad-agad ang diaper kasi nga, ang ganda ng kapit ni CleanFan ng diaper niya. Ayan. And dual leak guards na rin to. And fast absorbent. Makulit akong bagets. Hoy, anong ginagawa ko dyan? Ayan siya, guys. So, ayan. Guys, kung ako sa inyo, napakasulit nito sa mga bagong mama dyan, mga first time mom na tulad ko. Ito lang talaga ang trusted baby product brands ko, ang CleanFan, guys. Kasi maganda ang quality, affordable, and abot kaya talaga ng lahat, guys. Madali din siyang hanapin. And from time to time, nagsisale talaga sila. Kaya abang-abang na. Follow nyo sila sa kanilang all social media accounts and follow nyo na rin sa kanilang mga online shops kasi hindi nyo alam, guys, lagi talaga silang nagtawag dito. Nagsisale! May buy one, take one. Mga sale. Lalo na ngayon, di ba, January na. Baka may mga sale na naman sila sa February, mga ganun, mga 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, di ba? So, abang-abang na kayo, guys. And abang din kayo sa mga subscribers ko dyan. Nag-i-impake na to. Uy, saan ka na pupunta? Di pa nga tayo tapos. Ayan. Sa mga subscribers ko dyan, abang-abang na kasi iba naman dito, tapos nang gamitin ni Chloe, tulad ng mga ito, Battle Baby Cleanser, ayan, baka ipamigay natin to, guys. Magpapag-giveaway tayo dito ng iba dito and para share your blessings, diba? Kaya, abang-abang sa mga next video ko and i-follow nyo rin ako sa aking mga social media accounts. Justin Creates, guys, on all social media accounts. Follow nyo ako for more updates. And ayan, thank you so much for watching. Nakailan ako? Nakailan na ako?
10 minutes.
Ha?
10 minutes.
Okay. So, thank you so much for watching, guys. And see you again on my next video. Chloe, come here. Say bye-bye na. Bye-bye. Look dun. Bye-bye. Thank you, CleanFan. Thank you so much, CleanFan. Oh, nag-impake na. Look at the camera and say thank you. At the camera, at the camera, at the camera. There, kay Daddy. Thank you, CleanFan. Super generous. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.